Hello everyone, welcome again. In this Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can drag and autofill numbers, months, dates and years. Here, I am on my PC and I have a nice simple table set up already to save some time. Let me zoom in a bit, so you can see it clearly. Here, we have numbers, days, months in short form and a years column. In this numbers column, we will simply add numbers as serial like 1, 2, 3, and so on. Okay, to do that, write 1 in the first column. And you can see a little box in the cell bottom corner. Simply right-click and hold, then drag the mouse as far as you want. Then from this box select the Fill as Series option. Now look, all the cells are filled with numbers as serial by. Next, how do you quickly create the list of dates? Well, to do that, add the current date first. Let's put today's date in the cell. Ctrl plus semicolon is the shortcut key for putting today's date. Now you just need to use this little fill handle, hold down the mouse button, drag it down and, there we are. It just increments the date down. Now, for months, write the first month of the year. Then same as before, click, hold down the mouse button, and drag down. It will fill the column with the rest of the months. For the next column, if you want to write the short form, it should still work like this. If I write here, then click, hold down the mouse button, and drag down. Look, this will work too. Now, for the last column, if you want to fill in the current date with every year. Let's put today's date in the cell, Ctrl plus semicolon the shortcut key, then right-click and hold, then drag the mouse down. Choose Fill Years from the option. You can do the same for the current date in each month. So, here we are, this is what I wanted to show today. Thank you for watching. If you learned something useful in this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next tutorial.